Hey there everybody, if you're watching this video, you probably want to know how to use Zepto Wallet Cash. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Zepto is a quickly growing grocery delivery platform in India. It promises to deliver groceries to your doorsteps within 10 minutes. Other companies offer delivery within 30 minutes, but Zepto delivers the daily essentials within 10 minutes. To use Zepto Wallet Cash, first, ensure that your Zepto app is updated to the latest version. You can do this by visiting the Play Store or App Store, searching for Zepto and updating it if necessary. Then, add the items you want to purchase to your cart, select the quantity and proceed to the checkout section. If you have Zepto Cash in your wallet, it should automatically be applied to your order. You will see the total billing amount and how much Zepto Cash has been utilized. Zepto Cash is currently available only in specific cities like Lucknow, Faridabad, Kolkata, NCR, Delhi, Noida, Ghaziabad, Gurgaon, etc. If you're not in one of these locations, you won't be able to use Zepto Cash, even if you have a balance. Zepto Cash is valid for 12 months from the date of issue. If it has expired, it will no longer be usable. If you are in a supported area but still can't use your Zepto Cash, contact Zepto's customer service. You can email them at s@jeep.com with your registered mobile number and details of the issue. You can track your Zepto Cash transactions, both credit and debit, in the app's activity section. This will help you see how your balance is being used. If you are facing any issues with Zepto Cash, make sure your app is updated. You are in a supported location and your Zepto Cash hasn't expired. For unresolved issues, reach out to customer support. And that's pretty much all about how you can use Zepto Wallet Cash. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to this channel for more tips and solutions. And if you face any difficulties regarding this video, feel free to let us know in the comment box. Till then, bye-bye, and I will see you in the next one.